Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the combining of index, or you can say composable graph of the index. How to create a composable graph over the index. In the previous video, we saw how to select the index of your choice and then make a query. Means we first select the index and then we make a query. But in today's video, we can select multiple indexes. At the runtime, we make a composable graph and then make our queries. Okay, so let's see how we can do that thing in this video. Okay, so here you can see, let's first discuss about the working. After that I will show you the code. Okay, so here you can see these are the buttons to select the folders, and these are the checkbox to create the composable graph. Consider I want to create a composable graph of the file VPN folder and XYZ folder, so I can make it at a runtime. I'm not saving the composable graph. I'm just creating it at the runtime and make my query. That's okay. Okay, so let's see. First, upload the files, PDF files. So I'm uploading the files which is not present over the internet, totally new files. First, select the VPN. Okay, just 1 second. Refresh it. Done. Okay, XYZ VPN, browse file. You can see here I have one file, that's a VPN. Okay, that's a resume of person. Uploaded, submit. So you can see running. Okay, done. Now cancel this file, select next folder, XYZ. Do we have XYZ here? Yes, XYZ PDF here. Select it, upload it successfully, then create the vector, submit it. Vector done, close it. Choose ABC, browse the file. Do we have ABC here? Okay, so I don't have any kind of ABC. Okay, so I'm leaving this one as it is. So I have two folder ready and two index vector are ready. So let me create my query VPN Kumar and XYZ. Okay, so on the both folders, on the both indexes, I am creating my queries. Okay, let me write the things. Tell me the email ID of VPN, email of eVPN. So let's see. Okay, can see I'm getting the email ID of VPN @codingwisdom.com. So similarly, tell me the email of XYZ. Okay, XYZ. So let's check. Okay, it is not possible. Okay, so let's see. What are the skills of XYZ? Okay, so skills of XYZ are full stack web application development, JavaScript, okay, Angular. So by some reason it is not getting the email IDs because maybe the email ID is not written in the proper format or proper place in the document of XYZ. Okay, so yes, but we are getting the skills of XYZ. Okay, let me refresh it again. Done. If I'm selecting XYZ only, done, and then I'm asking, tell me the email of VPN. So in the background, you can see I have shown the things like which folder is selected, okay, which directory is selected, okay, which folders, and what are the answers, okay. So you can see this time I haven't selected the VPN. So in the previous time, you saw it was giving the email ID of VPN, but right now I haven't selected the folder. That's why it is not giving the email ID of VPN. So I hope you get a sense of composable graph. So if you like this video, please share the video and subscribe the channel. So let's see the coding part. So in the code, I wrote the file number streamlight 4, second 4, and the last one is first 4. So first 4, second 4, and streamlight 4. Okay. In the first 4, it's same thing. Just create the directory over which means once we from in this directory load the data. Okay. So this dirs contain data dir and dir. That dir means VPN directory, XYZ directory, or different directories. Okay, whatever the directory are here, so that directories. Okay, so VPN, XYZ, ABC directories. Okay, so for this thing will create the indexes in the directories. So you can see data dir. Let me show you. Yeah, here in the vectors you can see VPN, XYZ. We have created the indexes for VPN and XYZ. Okay, so I hope you get the sense. So let's see the second file, second 4. So in this one, I have created this generate response because I have created so many codes. So finalized code is this one, generate response. So this is the code responsible for generating the graphs. So you can see here, this is a composable graph. Okay, so here from the directory list means once you select the different directory from the checkbox. So this one, consider if I select 2 checkbox, okay, means from this in this directory you have to combine the indexes. So I have 2 directories here, VPN and XYZ. So I have 2 directory here, VPN and XYZ. So this one contain the VPN and XYZ like this, VPN and XYZ. So for each directory I am getting the indexes, and in this list, index list, I am getting each index. So in the composable graph from indices, list GPT list index list which is created here means which contain both the indexes and index summaries. You can make any summaries. Okay, 2 different summaries here. At the runtime we created, at the runtime we create this index list and then supply to the storage and then create the storage context, just an instance of storage context, and then we create a query engine, and on the query engine we create our response. So this prompt means whatever I'm asking the question. So that is a composable graph. So you will get this code from my GitHub, link written in the description part. So I hope you get a sense how to create a single index from the multiple index, right? So please share the video and like the video, subscribe the video. Bye bye everyone, bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.